Hello, future crypto millionaires. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on LAI AI, the dedicated blockchain network for data monetization coming to XRP. This is the chart. If you want to find all these trading setups that I talk about on YouTube with the Fibonacci levels of support and resistance, make sure that you join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. In a few days, the group is going to turn paid. But if you join now, you can secure your free lifetime access to the group. So make sure that you click the link in the description below and join as soon as possible before the group turns paid. This is your last chance. Also, do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. We are looking at LAI over USDT daily chart. As you see here, LAI has been getting crushed the past few months. We had this key level of support that's located at 0.01, and the price action previously bounced on this support multiple times, like here, right? This was a very strong key level of support previously. But recently, the price action lost this support and we broke below it. We had a breakdown and then we came back and had a bearish retest of this, turning that previous key level of support into new resistance, and we pulled back again. Many people are talking about that LAI is a scam. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap, we see that many people leave comments like this here. Look at this. I am bearish on LAI. Haven't you all figured out yet LAI is a scam? Or look at this one here. I am bearish because this token is nothing. No team, no product, no future, literally nothing. Stay away and take care of your money. And there are many other comments here that are arguing that LAI is a scam. I am not really sure if it's a scam or not, guys. Nobody actually knows. Time will tell, but I know that many people got into LAI AI while it was moving above this support. And therefore, after the price action broke below and lost this key level of support, all these people got trapped because they didn't exit here. Therefore, all these comments might be from people who just lost money after LAI broke below this previous key level of support. Now that we have turned that previous key level of support into new resistance, we are trying to figure out what is going on with LAI at the moment. So as you see here, I have another key level of support that's located at 0.0023. This is the new level of support that we are watching at the moment. What we want to see out of LAI is staying above this key level of support. If we break below, this is going to be bearish for this project. Again, LAI is a low cap, guys. This is a very high risk play. It has a market capitalization of only 5.4 million. And therefore, you must be careful when you invest into projects like these. These low caps are very risky. Always do your own research. So again, what we want to see is LAI staying above this key level of support. If we see another move to the upside sooner or later, this move can be a very nice move of over 300%, just like we saw back here. That was back in March of 2025. Eventually, what I want to see out of LAI in order to start getting bullish again is I want the price action to creep up all the way up here to this key level of resistance and then break above it and stay above it, just like we saw back here before the price action breaks below this and lose this support. The measured move from this new key level of support that we are currently bouncing on to this resistance, that's a 353% move from the current price levels. The next target that I have here on the chart is located all the way up here. That's at 0.015, and a measured move from the current price levels to this next target, that's a 584% move. The last target that I have here on the chart is located at 0.023. This is a 928% move from the current price levels. Again, LAI is a very high risk play. Always do your own research. The market cap is very low, only at 5.38 million, and therefore it doesn't need a lot of liquidity to flow into it in order to make moves. Just a little bit of liquidity and LAI can pump. But in order for this to happen, we need the market conditions to be better. As you see here, looking at the total 3, which is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we see that the total 3 is downtrending, moving inside this descending channel that I have here on the chart. If the price action gets rejected here, as you see, the price action is currently testing this upper resistance. If we get rejected here, I expect to see further downside out of altcoins. Also, if we look at Bitcoin, we see that Bitcoin also is downtrending, moving inside this falling wedge pattern, and it's currently testing this upper resistance. So if we get rejected here, I expect to see further downside out of altcoins. So the market conditions are not very good in order for altcoins, especially altcoins like LAI that are very high risk plays with very low market cap. In order for these tokens to start performing better, what I really want to see is the total 3 to break out of this downtrend, the price action to break above this upper descending resistance, and also I want to see Bitcoin breaking out of this downtrend also. If we see the total 3 and Bitcoin breaking out of their downtrends, that's going to be better for altcoins, and LAI is going to be able to perform better. Until then, all we want to see is LAI staying strong above this key level of support. If we lose this support, I expect to see further downside. So for those of you who want to scale in into your already existing positions, if you got trapped all the way up here, make sure that you set up a stop loss somewhere below the previous swing low, for example, just in case the price action decides to break lower. So you can take a small loss and move on to the next trade. Or wait for LAI to give us some more structure in order to talk about new entry levels. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about LAI? Do you think it is a scam? Are you bullish or bearish in the short term? That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.